Shining, shine, shining, shining. Hi guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. I am here today with the super popular video that is going around at the moment. It is the end of 2017, the start of 2018. Everyone is excited and there is the video going around of most used handbags in 2017. I thought I would join the bandwagon and show you guys what I truthfully grabbed for. I believe, you may believe differently because you guys do know me pretty well, but I feel like I grabbed for these bags the most in 2017, and I'm also going to show mod shots because that's how we're feeling. Shining, shining, shining. I'm going to show you mod shots to see how it looks on my body and how I sort of wore it throughout the year. And I'm also going to give you kind of like a mini review. There is a lot of hands happening. I'm going to quickly give you kind of like a mini review because I know that in my luxury collection videos I just tell you where I got the item from, but I will give you a mini review of it. First bag up on my list is my Louis Vuitton Speedy Bandolier in the size 25 in the Demi Bag canvas. This is probably one of my newest bags to my collection in 2017. However, I did get a ton of use out of this the second I got it. I think I changed into it the second I got it. It is the newest, I guess the newer version of the Speedy Bags and the Speedies. It has the interior zipper. I do utilize this pocket as well. I've gone back to I'm currently using this bag. I've gone back to using my Smorga bag organizer in the Speedy 25 size down inside with the rouge. It matches perfectly with the red interior of the Demi Bag, and I'm currently using it. I am enjoying the bag organizer again. Straight off, I found it way too space, like it takes up a lot of space. The bag organizer in itself takes up a lot of space, so I felt a bit congested. However, I am now really loving it. I would love to do a what's in my bag. My Fendi Sunny Can Eyes. Ooh, that looks so cute with this outfit today. You know what? You know I gotta show these off. You know I gotta pose. Ooh, honey. Yes, girl. Yes. Look. I'm speechless. Look at that. Look at that with the gold reflect and the hoops. I am giving, you can't even talk to me. I am so overall love this bag. I love how durable the Demi Bag is. If you are considering to either add this into your collection of Speedy Bags, totally do it, because this is, let's say, much more aging, like as in looking newer for longer canvas. Everybody knows that with the coated leather, especially in the crossbody strap, the shoulder strap, it's just better wearing. However, I am still going to be forever a monogram vachette girl. I love it. I work well with it. I don't really mind if it looks like aged with the leather changing color. However, I will say Demi Bag looks new all day long. So really enjoying this. I added my lock because of Linda, Miss Leo Lion LV. She keeps her locks on her bag, and I really enjoyed this so much in 2017. Most used would be my single flap jumbo by Chanel. It's used every year since I purchased it, but it's definitely a most used in 2017 because it's such a user-friendly bag. The fact that it only has one flap makes it on par with every other single flap bag that you may own. If you own a Gucci Marmont flap bag, if you own a boy, the boys are just one flap. So this is just so easy to reach for. It holds everything you need. It is not really cumbersome. I'm quite a tall girl. If you're more on the petite size, maybe the jumbo's probably not the best investment for you because it is quite, like, it's a large flat bag. I can't even imagine, you know, if you're petite to own the maxi. The maxi is a lot bigger than this bag. But nevertheless it holds everything I need, and it just gives that outfit that hint of chic. You could be wearing active wear, jeans, a white t-shirt, this outfit, ooh, with my Fendi's. It just gives it that pop, you know, it just gives it that classic like zhuzh that it needs. And hey, it's a Chanel Jumbo in black caviar with gold hardware. Please, please tell me what gets more classic than that. Nothing. Boop. This bag was the ultimate for 2017, the ultimate, and I only have one beautiful girl to thank for that, and that is my gorgeous Sarah. Sarah on YouTube did a like a YouTube swap with me where we swapped our Palm Spring backpacks. She had the mini and I had the PM, which is the medium, the middle size. It wasn't working for me. It was purely a backpack. It looked like a micro backpack. I know this is a micro backpack, don't get it twisted, but you can wear this as a crossbody bag, which is exactly what I used it for and use it for every, like, I want to say every day. If you guys have been thinking about this bag, do it. It is so fantastic. It holds so much stuff. I would say close to, if not more than my Pochette Métis, if not more than the Jumbo. It doesn't hold as much as a Speedy Bag 25, but it holds a lot. It will hold my agenda, my mini pochette, my wallet and phone, and you just sort through to get them out. It is so user friendly. It was for me, and I am really glad I did this in a swap because I just spoke with Sarah at the end of the year 2017. She still has her PM. It works for her. She wanted a backpack, so this little guy was, I'm gonna say, number uno for 2017 for sure. I have my son's initials. I got asked what they stand for. They're my son's initials on the small luggage tag in the same calfskin. And yeah, so user friendly. I haven't worn it as an actual backpack with the straps on it yet. However, I have worn it with the strap across and a crossbody, and that's a cool way to wear it too. I am going to show you mod shots, so hold on for that. I'll throw them in while I'm talking about it. But honestly, just gorgeous, and it is so soft and smushy, and it's just, it's such a great size, so user friendly. Grab the top handle off your car seat and out you go. It's just one of those bags that's a pleasure to use. That's what it is. It's a pleasure to use. It's going to be a running theme because, hey, the majority of my collection is Vuitton. This is my newest, well, actually now it's second, but my newest is from Monique. Just gave me the green coated leather. But this is my Vachette luggage tag in the large with the Love Cali on it that I got from my current trip to California with FASHIONPHILE. I got this handbag off fashionphile.com as well. This is my Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis. I didn't say what this was. This is my Palm Springs mini backpack in the all over monogram that I got from Sarah. I didn't even say. This is so this is the Pochette Métis in all over monogram with Vachette. It's not coated or anything, it's not the black, that's the reverse. And this I got as a repurchase from FASHIONPHILE. I can't even rave enough about it. I just can't. I've done so many videos on the Pochette Métis, it's boring now. And still people write to me every day saying, thank you for those reviews. Honestly, the way you talk about this bag, it's so passionate because it's so true. It's the Speedy Bag 25 and this bag, trust me, if you have been thinking about it, girl, don't think anymore. This is so user friendly because of its compartments. If you are a total compartmentalized sort of person, so needing a wallet separate, needing a key separate, things like that, this will totally work for you, like 110%, rather than sort of one big black hole like a Speedy is, and then you've even got your pocket on the back for quick access if you want to just put your phone. Fits perfectly. Androids, iPhone Pluses fit perfect. Even a Kindle would probably fit in there, or a mini iPad. But honestly, just a go-to. And on top of that, for 2017. This bag with my reverse monogram XL strap, it was heaven. Hey, I'm finishing up this most used in 2017 with this guy. This is my one and only Neverfull MM. Heaps of people think I have the Demi Bag and the monogram as well. I do not have the trifecta in this bag. I have one monogram one monogram GM and one Demi Bag MM. I got this off the resale market from FASHIONPHILE.com. I could not be happier with this bag. I got it resale because I like the older style with the cursive writing inside and the fleur-de-lis stripes. I prefer that myself. I don't really care for the pochette inside. I got that separately from a SUBBIE, but this bag is so fantastic, and if you are a mummy or you're a uni student, this is so well wearing because it is Demi Bag. It was kind of a bit of a Demi Bag year, kind of, sort of. It's so well wearing and it's not too cumbersome. The GM is a lot bigger than this, and I'm going to say it's cumbersome. If you cinch your bags in the GM, it'll come in a little bit, and in this it will come in a little bit. However, I never cinch it, and it worked perfectly for me. I don't have a bag organizer down inside this. You can get one from Samorga and they're so perfect and helpful. Oh, but this bag, when I didn't know what to go for, it's that kind of bag. Like when you don't know what you're doing or you don't know what you need for that week or day, Neverfull MM. I get asked the age-old question, which size and which canvas? I answer that by saying it's totally preference. It's totally preference. If you like your bags looking newer for longer, Demi Bag is for you because that is what will happen. If you want to go super classic and just uber Louis Vuitton, monogram is everything. If it is your first bag and you're not sure, just go monogram. You won't be disappointed because that is Louis Vuitton. Yes, this was the first canvas that Louis Vuitton ever did in trunks, but honestly, their ownership of the LV and fleur-de-lis print is theirs. No matter how much it gets counterfeit or replicated, that is absolute crap. You know that it's authentic. You know that you bought it. And honestly, if you're torn, just go monogram. If you regret it, don't call me and get angry at me. But I'm telling you, monogram and Chanel caviar with gold hardware, classic. 100% classic. Hey, I just have to throw this in for an honorable mention. It's not a handbag. Some people use it as a handbag. I personally wouldn't, but I have to use it as an honorable mention because it was my most used case, shall we say, or like, it's not an SLG because it's not a small leather good, but travel case. This was my most used item for the year of 2017, and this is a Nice BB in monogram, and it is so gorgeous. It gives me trunk life, it gives me vanity case, uber 1950s glam. It's so great for travel. It is so awesome. I used it all year with my palettes inside of it standing up straight. Down inside you can see my palettes all just standing up nicely in a line there. It fits perfectly, all of them, so nice. You've got your compartments so you can separate little things like bobby pins or Q-tips and stuff like that. And it's got the nice wipeable leather lining as well. It's just one of those items that is so nice to add to your collection. Okay guys, that is it. That completes my most used handbags of 2017. That is now gone. It is now 2018. Time for a new year and new handbags. No, maybe not. Jerusha, no more. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, guys. I love seeing your thumbs up. It is a great way for YouTubers to monitor their content, just to see how it's going, if people are enjoying it. Sometimes, you know, a lot of viewers don't comment and they may not subscribe to you, but you can hit that thumbs up button. It's, you know, you don't have to subscribe to do that. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel already and wish to do so, there is a button below and a bell next to it. If you hit that little bell, you'll get notifications of all my new videos. I hope everybody is doing really well, guys. Take care. Peace.